Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a vertical video on Squarespace in just a few simple steps. Open your page editor by clicking the Edit button in the top left of your website preview. Your page enters edit mode with all the editable sections visible. Next, hover over the section where you want to add your video. You'll see a plus icon appear, click it, and choose Video from the block menu. Now you need to upload your vertical video file. Inside the video block editor, select Upload File and choose your video from your computer. Make sure you're uploading directly to Squarespace rather than embedding from YouTube or Vimeo. This CSS method requires a direct upload. The video will appear in the block, but you'll notice it displays in a landscape frame with large empty spaces on the sides. That's normal, and we'll fix it next. Go to Website, then Website Tools, then Custom CSS. The Custom CSS Editor panel will open with a text input area. Paste in the CSS code. You can copy it from the video description. It's a short snippet that sets the padding bottom to 1 to 100%, which adjusts the video container to properly display vertical content instead of forcing it into a horizontal frame. Once you've pasted the code, click Save in the Custom CSS panel. The video will instantly become vertical. If you want to adjust the size of the video block itself, go back into the page editor and use the resize handles on the video block to fit it to your layout. This step is optional. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Individual video files max out at 5 to 100 megabytes, so compress your video beforehand if needed. This CSS applies to all videos on your site, so every video block will display vertically. Finally, preview your page on both desktop and mobile to make sure the video plays smoothly and displays without black margins across devices. Thanks for watching.